atongoretie igongona ria kurekererio gwa gikundi kia Mbeu Njithi na aria maamukirite mathomo ma uigiriki na hindi iyo igongona riri MUDAVADI ni augite ati thirikari ni irongoreirie guteithiriria Mbeu Njithi kwamukira wagiriru mathomo-ini mao kugerera ruhonge rwa uruti wira wa MUINGI, akiuga ati ni imwe ya mibango ya thirikari ya kuguna Mbeu Njithi ta uria MWANGI wa MURUGI aratariria.
Ni igongona-ini ria kurekererio kwa gikundi kia aruti wira a MUINGI na aria maamukirite mathomo kugerera mubango wa thirikari. Igongona-ini riria rihumbitwo RIRI ni MINISTA NYABARA MUDAVADI.
The Public Service Internship Program and the Public Service Emerging Leaders Fellowship Program are two intertwined initiatives targeting the youth and their role in public service management.
Akiaria hindi ya igongona riri, MUDAVADI ni augite ati aruti wira a MUINGI magiriirwo guthimagwo kuringana na uruti wira wao, akigathiriria Mbeu Njithi aya na kumathingata gukorwo makinyita itemi ari ucenjia wa MUINGI.
Congratulate both the graduating class and the incoming fellows for your achievement. You are enlisted through a competitive process that attracted thousands of your peers. They are a clear indication that the Commission has the pulse on emerging trends in public service and the importance of the youth.
Hindi iyo, MUDAVADI ni augite ati thirikari ni iheanite gutigirira ati Mbeu Njithi ni magunika na mieke ya kugia na uhigiriru makiria kugerera ruhonge rwa uruti wira wa MUINGI.
If you live by what has been and will be inculcated in you, I therefore urge you to seize the moment and the opportunity you have been given to make your contribution in our collective efforts to transform this country.
Oho, ni augite ati mubango ta uyu wa internships undu umwe na utongoria wa Mbeu Njithi ni imwe ya mibango iria irongoreirio kuguna Mbeu Njithi, akiongerera ati marongoreirie guthondeka atongoria a rucio kugerera tabarira ta ino.
I believe that through nurture and hard work, public servants like you should be able to rise to the highest ranks. Promotion in the public service should therefore be based on measured, deliverable performance.
Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Mũrugi.
Mũndũ witũ Mwangi wa Mũrugi nĩ ũndũ wa riboti ĩyo, na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ